If you run CAT as a standalone application, you will need to import data to run a carbon balance simulation. So to import data, you go in File, Import, and you have two available formats. You can either import yield tables or growth simulations. So we're going to start with a very simple example. We're going to start with a yield table. So if you go on the website, I'm gonna go back on the website here. You have here two examples of files that you can import in CAT. Okay, CAT reads .csv file. So you can find those two examples in this folder here, file/cat /examples growth simulations. So if I click on it, here you have two .csv files, method tree import and example yield table.csv. The other two files here with the extension IFE, they help importing the data with the import wizard, as we will see later on. So I've already downloaded those 4 files on my desktop. So now I'm going to show you how we can import this example here, this yield table. Okay, so I'm going back to my application here, going back into this import options here, and I'm going to choose yield table. So I'm asked to select a .csv, to choose a .csv file. So I've already, as I mentioned, I've already downloaded the files on my desktop. So I'm going to choose example yield table.csv. So I click on open. So I'm asked to select a species, and if you go on the website, you have further information about a yield table. This is a yield table for European beech. So here, just looking for this European beech in the combo box menu, and I find it here, Fagus sylvatica, and I click on OK. So here is the RAPCA import wizard. So basically you have the fields that were identified in your .csv file here on the right hand side, and on the left hand side you have the fields requested by CAT. So it's really simple. Here we expect each line of the file to be a distinct record. So we expect on each line to find the stand age, the standing volume, and the harvested volume. So if you're not sure about the meaning of those fields, you can move the mouse over each one of them and you will see this tooltip providing more information about the field. So how it works is pretty simple. You just use again this drag and drop feature. So for example, here I could select age and just drag and drop it here. Okay, so I do that and I would be ready to import my data. So if you don't want to do that over and over again, and you have the same header for many .csv files that you want to import into CAT, you can save this setup, those matches between the fields in the CSV file and the fields requested by CAT. So you go here and you save them. If you save them, you will get a .ife file, which are precisely those two files I told you about on the website. So you will save those matches into this IFE extension file. Now, if you want to load them, let's say that, okay, I just opened this window, this dialog, and I would like to load those matches that I previously saved into a .ife file. I would just need to open it, and here I'm going to select this file here that I downloaded from the website, and here I am with all my matches. And then you just click on OK, and you should see here in the title of the window your file name here. So it means that my data have been properly imported in CAT.